Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about if statements, else statements, nested if statements, and statements, inputs, and casting throughout this code. So please use an online compiler, whichever one that you used last time or whichever one you're comfortable with. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to ask our user if they want to go out today. Okay, so do you want to go out? So we'll say if act equals yes, then we'll have a series of other stuff. But let's say else, we'll just say print have a great day. Okay, so now let's say if they say yes, what activities can they do? So first we go to ask for the temperature. So temp, and remember you have to cast it into an integer. Input, so what's the temp like? And then let's give them a range. We'll say -20 to 110. Okay? And then next we're going to ask cleats. Input, do you have cleats? Okay? And the last thing we're going to ask for is suit. Input, do you have a bathing suit? Okay, let's get on to the activities. So we're going to say print looks good for, which will give you the list of the activities. So if 80 is less than or equal to temp, which is less than or equal to 95, which is just saying 80 is the lowest and 95 is the highest, print sun tanning. Okay? Next one we'll say if temp is greater than, equal to 75, and suit equals yes, print swimming. Let's say if 60 is less than or equal to temp, which is less than or equal to 85, let's say, print tennis. And if 10 is less than temp, which is less than or equal to 32, print skiing. If temp drops below, let's say 10 degrees, we'll say let's stay inside. So we're gonna do indoor basketball. Let's say if 32 is less than temp, which is less than or equal to 70, and we brought our cleats. That means that we can play soccer. Okay, and last one, if 40 is less than or equal to temp, which is less than or equal to 80, we can play pickleball. Okay, so if for those who are just watching along and they don't really understand what's going on, we're just having a nested if statements that are saying, first we're going to ask this user, do they even want to go out? If they don't want to go out, we'll just say print have a nice day, and then they can leave. But let's say they do want to go out and they say yes, we want to ask for their temperature so that we can know what type of activities they're going to do. We need to ask for cleats so we can know, do they want to play soccer? We're going to ask for their suit so we can know that they can go swimming. And then this print statement is going to say at the top, what are the activities that look good for today? So this if statement is saying if the temperature is between 80 to 95, you can go sun tanning. The temperature is between 75, like higher than 75, and you've brought your bathing suit, you can go swimming. If the temperature is between 60 and 85, you can go play tennis. If the temperature is above 10 and less than 32, you can go skiing. If the temperature is less than or equal to 10, you can play indoor basketball. And if the temperature is between 30, like greater than 32 degrees and less than 70, and you do bring your cleats, you can play soccer. And lastly, if the temperature is 40 degrees and or the highest is 80, you can play pickleball. So let's run this to make sure it works. Do you want to go out? Let's say yes, I do want to go out. What's the temperature like? We'll say 90 degrees. Do you have cleats? We'll say yes. Do you have a bathing suit? Yes. So it looks good for sun tanning and swimming. So let's run this again. Do you want to go out? Yes. What's the temperature like? We'll say 60 degrees. Do you have your cleats? Yes. Do you have your bathing suit? No. So it looks good for tennis, soccer, and pickleball. And let's say I don't want to go out. It will just say have a great day and it will end the program. So that's this simple code using if statements, else statements, nested if statements, and statements, input, and casting. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.